Don't forget to press the subscribe button and this bell icon for free future notifications. Contact me for further orders and appointments. Details are given in the description box. Hello friends, so welcome to our new video. In this video, we will learn how to make this beautiful dog cap in a very easy way. So this dog cap with the sweater is available for sale. So anybody want to buy these, comment below for placing your orders. So let's see what all we need for making these. So here we need one yellow color yarn, one brown color yarn, a crochet hook of number 11 and a scissor and 1 inch tape for measurements. So I am making this dog cap for an XL size dog. See, we will take a diameter which I am taking 9.1. So total circumference will be its double, 9.2, that will be its total circumference. The perpendicular line will be 5 inches. Okay, and here there will be a gap of 2 inches for the ear loops. Here we will make the ear loops. So this pattern is also available on my Instagram page, Zeenat 4731. So you can follow me there on Zeenat 4731 on Instagram. So let's start making. We will take the yellow color yarn and then we will start making a chains. So here we will make a slip chain at this one, and now we will chain 2. This will be counted as a double crochet. Okay, and now we will make double crochet, 1, double crochet 2, and in the same manner we will make total 12 double crochets like this. Then we chain 2, and now we will put 2 double crochet in every stitch. Okay, so in total we will have 24 total stitches in this round. We need to keep in mind that we will put 2 double crochet in every next stitch like this. So now we will join the ends by making a slip stitch. Now we will be working on our third row. Like this, we will chain 2, then we will put 1 double crochet in the next stitch and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, like this. Okay, so here we will need to make 1 double crochet in one stitch and then we will put 2 double crochet in the next stitch. This is the pattern for the third row. 1 double crochet in one stitch, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and this will be repeated in all over the rows. See, like this. In the end we will join the ends by making a slip stitch, and now we will be working on our fourth row. Chain 2, then put 1 double crochet in the next stitch like this, and then put another double crochet in the next stitch, and in the same we will put 1 more double crochet. So this is a pattern for 3 stitches. We will put 1 double crochet in 2 stitches, and in the third stitch we will put 2 double crochets together like this. So this will be repeated all over the row, and now our 1 2 3 4 rows are ready. Chain 2, then put 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches So in this way we are having 1 2 3 double crochets, and now we will put 2 double crochets together in a single stitch like this. So this is a pattern with 4 stitches, where we will put 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then in the 4th stitch we will put 2 double crochets together. So like this we will need to complete the pattern, and this pattern will be repeated all over the row. 3, then 2, 3 and 2, like this. And now we will measure the height. As we know, after the 2 inches we will make our ear loops, or ear hole we can say. So this much is ready, and now we will make the ear holes. For this we will just attach the stitch marker to this cap part like this. I am using the brown color yarn as a stitch marker. We only need to keep in mind that both ear holes need to be equal, and the size can be depend upon the size of ear your dogs are having. Some of the dogs are having long ears and some have a smaller one according to their breed. So we just need to have four gap, or we can say 4 equal gaps. So now we will just start making double crochet from one stitch marker to the another. In total we are having 4 stitch markers here like this. And now we will make 13 chains, because the next gap is of 13 stitches. So here we will make 13 chains, and you can just count it also. This should be equal in number. And now we will make a double crochet in the 14th stitch from the stitch marker like this. And in this third gap we will again put 1 double crochet in every stitch till the next stitch marker like this. And again we will chain 13. And now we will just make a slip stitch to the first double crochet like this. Now we will be working on our next row. Just remove all the stitch markers. Yeah, it's ready now. Now we will put 1 double crochet in every next stitch. See, from here to here I'll do off camera. And now on these chains we will make 1 double crochet all over like this. So these chains are 13 in number, and we will make 15 double crochets. It will be 2 extra number, so that the size will be in increase like this. And now in the end we will again make 1 double crochet in every next stitch. See, our project will look like this. So we will now put 1 double crochet in every stitch, and in the same way we will do on another ear hole also. Same way we will repeat it like this. And now in the next row we will put 1 double crochet. The cap is almost ready now. We will put 1 double crochet and this will be repeated all over the row. See, by putting this on your sketch, or you can say on your stencil, you can just check out that is the length is okay or not. Then in the next row also we will put 1 double crochet in every next stitch like this. So here total I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 more rows. After making those 2 rows, I have made 4 more rows. In between I have used brown color yarn to make it look more beautiful. You can choose the colors as per your wish. And now we will make the ribbon type, or we can say a chain of yarn, so that we can just tie this cap to the dog. So we will just go to the corner by making this single double crochet like this. I hope you all know how to make a single double crochet. We will make a single double crochet till a corner, and in the corner we will make 1 slip stitch before making the chain. And now we will make 40 chains. These chains should be looser so that the final chain will be more comfortable for the dog and it will be more stretchable. And now we will put 1 double crochet in every chain like this. In every chain we will put 1 double crochet. So like this is ready now, and in the end we will just join it by making a slip stitch, and then again we will make single double crochet till the next corner like this. We will make single double crochet, and now in the next corner firstly we will make a slip stitch like this, and then we will make 40 chains, and then we will put double crochet in every next chain till the end like this. And now we will join by making a slip stitch like this, and in the leftover we will just put a single double crochet So this cap is really very easy to make. Just join the ends of the single double crochet and just hide this extra yarn and cut off the extra yarn. So our cap is ready, and now we will just need to attach one pom-pom on the top of this cap to make it more beautiful. So how to make this flatty pom-pom with the help of your foot, you can see the videos link in the description box. So just hit the like button and the subscribe button for future notification. Bye bye.